Let's get a check-in on the market now. Joining us from CommSec is Tom Piotrowski. Tom, good morning. What can we expect?
Danica, good morning. Well, the US markets have been offline, as they observe the Thanksgiving holiday. So that has tended to becalm the Northern Hemisphere markets as far as the last session has been concerned. So we've got the US futures just slightly firmer in after-hours trade. Nothing to really write home about. European markets pushed higher as well. So they're at their highest levels in several months. When you look at the FTSE, for example, it's up by around 0.2%. The French market up by 0.25%. We saw similar outcomes for the German market and the broader European market as well. News flow was pretty stymied. We had the European Central Bank release the minutes from their last policy setting meeting where they left rates on hold, but the minutes suggest that they're thinking about leaving rates higher for longer. There was some economic news of note as well. So the measure of activity in the manufacturing and services sector ticked up a little bit over the course of the last month, still in contractionary mode, and there was some unflattering numbers in relation to employment. So employment could moderate in the European Union over the course of the near term, according to these surveys. So in terms of what we can expect locally, we've got the futures pointing to a small decline, down by around 0.2% in terms of what the SPI futures are telling us at the moment. There's a number of companies which will be holding AGMs, not anywhere near the scale that we saw yesterday, but WiseTech, NextDC, Deep Yellow amongst them. We've also got the price of oil in focus. So this is important because it fell by about 5% yesterday. It's still down by 1% in this session. This all turns around the fact that the OPEC and allied producer group have delayed an important meeting, and that's put downward pressure on oil prices.
Tom, we'll see you again soon. Thank you.